Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Sense. If you're here, chances are you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and carrying around the heavy burden of debt. Let me tell you something. Being debt-free is possible, even if you're earning minimum wage. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your debt. Grab a piece of paper or open a notes app on your phone and write down all your debts. Credit card balances, payday loans, medical bills, everything. Be honest with yourself. Include the amounts, the interest rates, and the minimum payments. Knowing where you stand is the first step to taking control. This might feel scary, but I promise, it's empowering. Once it's written down, it's no longer this huge, overwhelming thing. It's just numbers, and numbers can be tackled. Step 2. Create a bare-bones budget. This is a budget where every dollar has a job. Start with your essential expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Cut out anything that isn't necessary, like subscriptions, dining out, or that daily coffee run. Now, I know this isn't fun, but remember, this is temporary. The more you free up, the more you can throw at your debt. And don't worry, we'll talk about rewarding yourself later. Step 3. Choose a debt payoff method. There are two popular ones. The first is the debt snowball method. Here, you pay off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once the smallest debt is gone, you move on to the next smallest. It's great for staying motivated because you see quick wins. The second is the debt avalanche method. With this, you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. It's the fastest and cheapest way to get out of debt, but it can feel slower at the start. Pick the one that works for you. There's no wrong choice here. Step 4. Increase your income. I know what you're thinking. I already work hard enough. But hear me out. Even small side hustles can make a big difference. Think about delivering food or groceries, taking online surveys, or selling things you don't need anymore. These can bring in a few extra dollars that you can put straight toward your debt. Every little bit counts. Step 5. Negotiate your debts. Did you know you can call your creditors and ask for a lower interest rate or a payment plan? Many creditors are willing to work with you if you explain your situation. And if you have old debts and collections, you might be able to settle them for less than what you owe. Just make sure to get any agreement in writing. Step 6. Celebrate small wins. Paying off debt is hard work, so don't forget to reward yourself when you hit milestones. Paid off your first $100? Treat yourself to something small, like a movie night at home or your favorite snack. Celebrating keeps you motivated and reminds you that progress, no matter how small, is worth it. Step 7. Stay consistent. Becoming debt-free isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be setbacks, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep going. Remember why you started. Maybe it's to stop stressing about bills, to save for something important, or just to feel free. Keep that goal in mind, and you'll get there. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to becoming debt-free on minimum wage. It won't happen overnight, but with determination and a plan, you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And if you want more tips like these, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. You've got this. See you in the next video.